Hello, boys and girls. Hi, moms and dads too. Welcome back to Storytime. Today, we're going on a magical adventure. Look at the picture right here. Can you see the glowing storybook? Wow! Get cozy, open those curious eyes, and let's begin. The Magical Bridge. One rainy afternoon, a little girl named Lila found something amazing. Can you spot her in the picture? She's wearing her purple dress with stars. Look carefully. Do you see the glowing golden bridge? It stretches right into the clouds. Where do you think it leads? Lila took a deep breath and stepped onto the bridge. Can you show me how you would step onto a magical bridge? Look at all the colors under her feet, rainbow sparkles. On the other side, she saw candy mountains, shiny blue lakes, and lantern trees that glowed like stars. Would you like to visit a land like this? In the glowing forest, Lila wasn't alone. She met 3 magical friends. Do you see them? There's a silver fox with sparkling fur, a rainbow owl with kind eyes, and a little golden dragon with shiny scales. They all smiled at Lila. They wanted to be her friends. The friends told Lila about the lost crystal of light. Without it, our land grows dim, said the owl. So, Lila and her magical friends set off on a quest. Look, they're marching past candy mountains and glowing rivers. Can you flap your arms like the dragon or soar like the owl? They were heading toward a safe but mysterious cave. Inside the cave, a single, soft light glimmered against the walls. And there in Lila's hands was the crystal of light. Look how brightly it shines. Can you hold your hands out like you're holding a glowing crystal? Her friends gathered close. The dragon hovered happily, the owl lit the way, and the fox smiled proudly. Together, they placed the crystal of light on a tall pedestal. Suddenly, whoosh! The whole land burst into color. Lakes sparkled blue, candy mountains glowed brighter, lantern trees shone, and stars danced across the sky. Yay! Cheered Lila and her friends. Can you cheer too? With the magic restored, it was time for Lila to go home. She walked back across the glowing golden bridge, waving goodbye to the fox, the owl, and the dragon. Behind her, the magical land glowed beautifully. Ahead of her, her peaceful little village waited with a warm evening sky. And though she returned home, the magic stayed in her heart forever. Wasn't that a wonderful adventure? If you loved this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can go on more magical journeys together. See you next time, friends!